Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn about notebook parameters. Databricks widgets is something that is used to pass parameters to a notebooks. Input widgets allow you to add parameters to a notebooks and dashboards. The widget API consists of the calls to create various type of input widgets, remove them and get bound values. Databricks widgets are best for building a notebook or dashboard that is re-executed with different parameters. Also, it is good to quickly explore results in a single query with different parameters. Databricks widgets are of four types. Text, input value is a text box, then drop down where we can select a value from the list of provided values. Then we have combo box. Combo box is a combination of text and drop down. We are able to select a value from a provided list or input one in the text box. The last is multi-select. We can select one or more values from a list of provided values. Let us do these in practicals. So here is the code to create a text widget and a drop down widget. So in the text widget, we are creating a widget with the name of database and we are providing a default value to this widget, which is customers_dev. Then in the drop down, we are creating a drop down widget with the name of environment. The default value is dev and the drop down will have these three values: dev, test and prod. So the main importance or main use of parameters is that we are able to pass these values from outside of the notebook. For example, Databricks job. So when we migrate our notebooks from one environment, let us say from development environment to test to production environment using CI/CD, we are able to parameterize these input parameters. With the help of these, at runtime in CI/CD, we are able to change, let's say, the database connection from development environment to test or to prod. And you can see it has executed. Now if you notice, we have these two controls at the top of the notebook. One is database for the text widget and the second is environment. The environment has these three values: dev, test and prod, and the default values for the text widget is customer dev. Let us read the value from the widget. I am using dbutils widget guest database, which will return me the value of the database widget. And similarly, I am going to read the environment widget. Let me execute both of these. So database has returned me customers dev and environment will return me dev. If I change the value of the widget, let's say for environment I switch to test, this notebook will be recalculated and the value will be reflected as test. Let us change to prod. The value will automatically be updated to prod. Similarly, in case of database, let us change this to customers_prod and the value will be recalculated to customers_prod. We can remove these widgets when required using the dbutils widget remove or widget remove all function. I can remove an individual widget using remove or remove all the widgets. Thank you.